But here's the twist nobody seems to understand. The entire AI bubble debate is completely useless.
Not misguided, useless. It's based on assumptions that don't even apply to what's actually happening.
It's overhyped. The metrics don't support this price point.
You're ignoring the user growth and market sentiment.
Sentiment won't save us when the correction hits. And it has nothing to do with bubbles, markets, or hype cycles. It's about how AI rewires the way humans think, work, and create.
That's what this video will dive into. Not the hype, not the fear, but the reality most people are missing.
Before we dig deeper, let's set the stage. Every major technology creates two groups. We saw it with the internet, crypto, smartphones, and social media. So naturally, people try to put AI in the same box.
Is this another dot-com boom?
Is AI overvalued?
Will the hype fade and crash everything?
Here's the problem. These questions assume AI is just another tech product, something you can price, measure, or compare.
What they fail to see is that AI doesn't just make life easier. It actually performs work. It replaces effort. It produces outcomes that used to require humans.
Once a technology begins to perform labor, the entire conversation about bubbles becomes irrelevant.
Because now we're not talking about trends. We're talking about a fundamental shift in productivity itself.
This video goes deeper than surface-level arguments. Why both sides are looking in the wrong direction. Why it's already too late to stop it, and what you should focus on instead. Whether you believe AI is overhyped or the next unstoppable revolution, the truth is the same. The bubble is the wrong question. The impact is already happening, far bigger than any market correction could ever be.
The data from 1929 clearly shows the pattern we're seeing now.
But that ignores the fundamental market shifts. It's a completely different era.
Let's discuss the current valuations.
They compare AI to the dot-com boom, crypto, NFTs, and every hype cycle where excitement ran ahead of reality.
That framing collapses when you see how AI is spreading.
Unlike past bubbles, AI's usefulness arrived immediately.
The moment these models became accessible, a diverse array of individuals, from an East Asian female programmer to an African... This isn't a speculative asset waiting to prove itself. It's already producing measurable work in the real world. Past bubbles happened because people thought a technology might become valuable. AI is valuable from day one. When a technology generates economic output at scale immediately, the bubble argument becomes irrelevant.
Even if an African-American female insists AI is a bubble, it doesn't matter. Technological shifts don't care about financial cycles.
The internet didn't disappear when the dot-com bubble burst. Social media didn't vanish when early platforms failed.
Smartphones didn't collapse because early investors overestimated the first wave.
Every major shift goes through hype, excess, and correction, but the underlying transformation continues uninterrupted.
That's exactly what's happening with AI. Even a market correction won't change its trajectory.
Companies will still adopt automation because it saves money. Individuals will rely on AI tools because they save time.
Entire industries will restructure because efficiency is no longer optional.
A bubble bursting doesn't rewind progress. It eliminates weak players and accelerates the strongest.
So whether AI stocks rise or fall is completely separate from whether AI will shape the future.
Financial markets fluctuate. Technological revolutions do not.
Everyone debates AI market size, funding, valuations, and training costs, but none of this tells the real story.
The only metric that matters is utility per dollar, how much useful work AI can do for the lowest cost.
That metric improves at speeds no traditional industry can match.
Tasks that took hours now take seconds. Projects requiring professionals now require just a prompt.
When technology becomes dramatically more efficient, functional value outweighs financial value.
Users don't care about overpaying. They care that AI cuts their workload, drafts code, and generates plans instantly.
Every improvement multiplies value exponentially. Cheaper, faster, and smarter AI widens.
But the current model clearly lacks scalability. If we implement the new parameters, we risk destabilizing the entire network.
Look at that graph, pure panic.
Honestly, I don't see what the fuss is about.
Cheers to smooth sailing.
We always compare the new things to the old. Yeah.
It's how we feel in control, isn't it?
When technology evolves faster than we can process, we retreat to familiar labels: hype, fad, bubble.
Most people think of AI as a tool, something used occasionally, like an app. They don't see it as an adaptive layer beneath workflows, communication, education, entertainment, creativity, and decision-making.
Once you see that, the bubble argument instantly feels disconnected from reality.
How will companies redesign themselves around automation rather than humans? How will education shift? When small businesses gain the capabilities of a medium-sized team, they unlock efficiency, organization.
And how will access to computational intelligence reshape the balance of power?
These define the future, not short-term valuations or hype cycles. AI isn't just generating text or images, it's starting to run processes end-to-end. AI agents will manage operations, research competitors, run marketing, and handle customer service autonomously. Personalized AI assistants will learn habits, predict moves, and handle tasks before you notice them. This isn't fantasy, it's the direction development is already heading.
The long-term impact isn't about hype, it's about fundamentally restructuring productivity. The debate over valuations becomes trivial compared to the magnitude of this shift.
The real story, the world will not return to a pre-AI state. Workers adapt, companies restructure, tasks automate, new
Bait is noise. The transformation is the signal. Success belongs to early adapters, not bubble predictors.
Don't waste time arguing about a bubble. Spend it preparing for the world AI is building.
The future is faster, more automated, more creative, more efficient, and it's already unfolding.
The opportunity belongs to those who adapt, experiment boldly, and embrace the AI-driven transformation today.